ka jinyatai bat ka jingkren halo ka jingla jong droks ban ksam shaman la ki jaka hapo ka jala kalongru ka jingikno mat keliang manta hapo ka kamsan perthei ya ka bau sumbut mirang ba singau bahalang dar ulah syakno bandon kti ban Khaïi droks how MP barim ka jala bolong president ka MPCC wa Vincent H Pala hakilat pathai kubor habakren sikilat pathai kubor ka laiterik nailur arjar pusau Menteri Sorkar bakmi yakna revenue and disaster uba Kyrmen Shillong Mail bala dalam bau sembut mirang ba usngiau balang dar udon kti hakakam Khaïi Drok kumbal lakno habban Weng nak kenhun menteri bat ban penskempat bak Sorkar kamde kebacam hak jingyakun persya yu droks hapaban nalor ke jingong badai ban Weng nak kenhun menteri yo ba sngiau balang dar uba Kyrmen ulong bahkan poiru sauput ban hab ban be nak kejela dari laban rap ban ong baka don kam ban hab ban don kejingsisa namar umtip unu badai bat unu bamdai
such allegation against to any honorable member either in the opposition or in the ruling, I feel this is really is not correct, but still I believe those people who give this who who say all these things that against any honorable member or even the public, I believe they have a proof. Otherwise, such things we sometimes do feel is just like a joke talking in the market that hey, he's dealing drugs without any proof. That is something until unless we have any proof against anybody. Drug is something. You talk about coal, you talk about liquor, you talk about anything. Sometimes we do have that feelings, but drug is something like which is we can't even think it in our dreams that I will say something against somebody who's not even taking drugs. That is completely a false. Whether it's a false or correct allegation, I don't know it, but I believe that those honorable member or even the public, they have full proof against the deputy CM, which we have seen directly. We can say Masum Haland have the allegation against him. But still, I don't know who's right, who's wrong, but I believe justice will be given to the public. And if he is really involved, then he should be thrown away from not only from the cabinet, I believe that even the state as a whole also, he has no rights. Because we believe that drugs should not be entertained in our state. So, not only him, anybody. But for that, I think a strong message has to be sent to anybody who are involved that no drugs in Meghalaya. If somebody within the house itself or within the government are involving, that is totally wrong. And even the public doing it, so is very wrong. Law is there to take action against. But from the family, from the house itself, somebody is there that we cannot even imagine of it. So let's hope for the best that justice will be given to the people of Meghalaya.
Hakawai keliang ba Kyrmen ulong bahaswa ban keno khamtam hakbai day bat kamat hello drugs kinong mikmat habakeno yo no uparan hong mikmat day ban say madan rengkat kejingsisa.
I personally recently I discussed with a few colleagues. I said this thing need to be discussed. We don't know who's right, who's wrong, really, because if something happened, it comes out. Clarification has to be given to us as a member because we also here. If today, I believe even within the the press friends also, if something allegation against any one of you, the same thing you have to ask whether it's correct or not, so that you can protect. If not, all of you stand together and then, protect him. If he really do wrong, then you have to punish him. Anybody. So same thing here. We as the government, we are doing that. And I believe that even the Chief Minister will take concern.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.